for you. You fucking sham. You use the transgender card to, hog the limelight and earn money and get some cocks to suck. You've been fucking with my life for way too long. Right from the Bigg Boss days, you've been left after me. You've been left after me, I don't know by whom. By Shatrughan Sinha or the Khans. I don't know, I don't care. But you stop this fucking nonsense. I still remember hearing your laughter and your black magic that you did on me right from the Bigg Boss's house. You followed me up until Singapore at IFA 2015. Made a tragedy queen out of me, leaving gins on me, making me cry. Wherever I go, you chase me. You came to Windsor, Windsor got usurped. You finished this fucking nonsense because I know it was your gin or the hijabi woman who broke my display screen yesterday. I'm done with these shams. I'm done with this fucking crap of black magic from both the ends. You fucking end it here. I will tag you in this post and I will tag everybody and tell them that how you're using black magic to control me, black magic to suppress me, black magic to trap me. I don't know who's left you, but I have a feeling it's Sinhas or Khan. You have trapped me since 2012. It's going to be 12 years in December, you fucking cunt. Leave me the fuck alone. Can you hear me? Leave me the fuck alone. Fucking cunt. हाँ डिस्टर्ब तो होगा ना. हायरार्की तोड़ रही हूँ, मोनोपोली तोड़ रही हूँ तो डिस्टर्ब तो होगा ही. जब तक डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे तो इस जंजाल से निकलेंगे नहीं. तो डिस्टर्ब करना पड़ेगा.
हमको तकलीफ हो रहा है. आपका है ठीक है, लेकिन हमको तो कुछ बोलेगा. इधर साइड में ऑफिस है ऊपर. मार्केट में देख लो, कहीं कलर मिलेगा. दिखाई देगा या ऐसा अंदर जाएगा. सीधा जाओ, 5 मिनट का रास्ता है.
It's all being done by Lakshmi Narayan Tripathi. I really felt that yesterday I wanted to post that picture which I posted this morning in that, high tier Tiffany dress. So they weren't letting me post it. And then they broke my display screen. And then this guy comes and sits next to me eating Maggie himself. And he says, no photo. No photo. So then it just, rang a bell in my head. Is that why they made me late for the inauguration of Film Bazaar? Because they didn't want me to meet Mr. Anurag Thakur. They didn't want him to know the whole story. They want to only show one angle so that they can manipulate and dominate. These people have ruined my life for 28 years sitting on my head. These people have made me fart so that they could take all the cocks in themselves. Then made me unconscious and prostituted me. Then made me diss same people when they wanted to give me a helping hand so that they could control them through my mouth. They've usurped my properties. They've robbed my money. They've robbed my movies. They've hacked my phone. They chase me everywhere I go. And they think they're mafia. And they're still making me talk shit. How are they even alive and scot-free roaming around? Such big criminals who try to scare me, डर के रहो, दब के रहो and all that. Lie like nobody's business. Fabricate like nobody's business. कभी शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा बन जाते हैं, कभी सलमान खान बन जाते हैं, कभी शाहरुख खान बन जाते हैं, कभी शाहिद कपूर बन जाते हैं. What is this? It's going to be hitting 28 years in 1 month. Can you put a lid on this shit? Put a lid on this shit. And Lakshmi, I'm going to lodge a fucking case against you under the Anti-Jadoo Tona Act. You understand? On the pretext of being a friend, you made me puke and shit when I'd entered the second time inside Big Boss's house. Because you were insecure that my stay would be extended. When I went to Singapore, you sat on my head and made me cry because you didn't want me to go out, enjoy and meet people and live my life. You made a Meena Kumari out of a fun-loving, bohemian, fucking free-spirited girl. I'm gonna whack you so hard. You're a shame on the transgender society's name, which you use to catapult your personal agenda of, circulating yourself in the media and going to award ceremonies to earn money, as well as to score cocks. You stop this fucking nonsense right here. Warning you! Warning you! And even the hijabi woman who was sent by the Khans, kindly leave me the fuck alone. I'm done being your mouthpiece. I'm done with you guys too. I've given you my unadulterated loyalty for 13 long years. What did I get? Anonymity, game playing, fucking around with my funds and credits, subjugation to Malaika and Sonakshi. That's what you gave me. So I'm done. Totally done. Get your hijabi bitch off me. Get your Lakshmi off me. I'm done being a mincemeat in the middle of both these parties. You have already ruined half my life. Whatever remains, I refuse to live it under your terms and conditions. It's my life, it's my body, it's my money, it's my property, it's my business. I don't need your expert consultation, which is anyways getting me nowhere. I came here in June. I started working on my Airbnb. I worked so hard so that I could tap into the season time. Full-fledged peak season has started from the past 10 days. Neither am I listed anywhere. I ran around like a hamal with my flyers, pillar to post, to travel agents, to taxi drivers, to locals. Get me some bookings. My painting of the upper unit is still not done up to my expectations. And still they wouldn't let me get a booking. They're using me as a mouthpiece. They walk into my house when I'm asleep. They make me unconscious, satiate their lust. And then they make me walk in the heat. I don't have enough money to go to the salon to get my hair colored, to go and get my nails done. I refuse to live this life. I refuse to live this life anymore. And I refuse to work hard either. Because I work hard and you become rich. I work hard and you get the credit. So I don't want to do this anymore. And all the people involved, you know who you are. Lakshmi has been left by the supposed empress. And the hijabi woman, as you all know, have been left by Arbaz and Malaika. So stop this nonsense, both you parties. I am done with the both of you. Totally done. Because I'm getting nowhere in this Panipat, in this fucking battle of Vietnam. Kindly stop using me as a toy or as an instrument That too for free. Done wrestling with pigs. Done wrestling with pigs. Get the fuck out of my brains. Get the fuck out of my life. Get the fuck out of my property. Otherwise you don't know what I'll do to you. You have absolutely no idea what all can I do at such a late saturated stage in my life. What all am I capable of? You have bottled me up and subjugated me for way too long. You'll be surprised to know my capabilities and capacity. So get the fuck out of my life, and Lakshmi, I'm warning you. Warning you. Taking your names and warning both you parties. Get the fuck out of my life. Right here, right now. Enough.